Lozzie and Sozzie show! Hello boys and girls!
Hello!
We've got a guest presenter and it's Ozzie. Say hello, Ozzie.
Hello!
So we've got Lozzie, Ozzie and Sozzie today.
Yeah?
Shall we see what's in the castle toy box, Lozzie?
Okay, join in with the song.
You ready? What's in the castle toy box today? Let's have a look and play. What is it?
Oh, not another one of these.
Oh, it's a letter.
What letter is
it?
that?
F. Oh, shut the box then. What could we do that's to do with the letter F? What begins with F?
Bunch.
Funny.
Fox.
Funny fox.
What about a funny fox eating fudge?
Very
good.
Friday, my favourite day.
Yeah.
Friday.
Fried egg is a good one. Fried egg. How about
Feet. Smelly feet.
Foot.
Sozzie.
rude? How about
Foot.
foot? How about food? Lozzie's
Funky
favourite.
music.
Aye.
Funky music, yes. You know what we've forgotten, don't you? Fairies.
I love fairies. Do you love fairies?
I do as well. What could we do? I've had an idea.
Give them the F and say, that's what begins with your name.
Well, that's a bit boring. No, it's better than that. Why don't we make an indoor fairy house? That's a good idea. Yeah. I've got an old shoebox and we can decorate it. We could even put lights, fairy lights on the top, and maybe
Could we give it a bit of a Halloween theme?
maybe some bat lights on the top.
We have got some bat lights.
Yes. And maybe the fairies will move in. What do you think? Thanks, Ozzie. Do you want to help? Yeah.
All right then, let's get cracking.
Come on then. Okay, Ozzie, we're gonna cover the shoebox first of all. Could you pass me some of that felt, please? Have we got? Oh, pink is good. Let's see if there's another one that's got onto there. That's it.
I like that colour.
Oh, it's really good, and we're going to put it inside because the fairy house, you put the shoebox like that and you put the lid on and that becomes the roof. Cool, eh?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to put this in here and we're going to stick it down.
Are we going to glue it down or stick it?
We're going to glue it, actually.
That was
Do you know what? I think sticking it might be better. We've got some double-sided sticky tape. I think you should use
That's
that.
a good
idea. Yes, let's get that.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, we'll use the double-sided sticky tape to stick it down. Just because it's easier, but you could use glue.
But glue gets some time to dry.
That's true, that's very true. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
There we go. Can you get that one off me? Thank you.
This is us. So,
Oh, that was the sticky and that was the bag.
What are you
that's a bad idea.
like?
That's a good idea.
Let's try again. Oh dear me. So what you've got to do, boys and girls, is stick it down first. Hang on. Hang on. You stick it down there.
pain.
It's a bit of a pain. And then you take the back off. Eventually.
They can't do nothing without Lozzie, boys and girls.
There you go. That's that.
Hooray!
And then you go. It's that one. And then there's this one. And there you go, you see, it's stuck down.
Very nice.
It feels very nice inside.
Yes, it does. Now we're going to do some ribbon at the back.
That's
Good idea. So what kind of ribbon do you want, Ozzie?
Let's have a yellow roof.
A yellow roof?
Yeah, let's go crazy.
I
I was thinking of this colour for a room.
Oh yeah, silver would be brilliant for a roof.
All right, fancy
Where's
pants.
the other one? The other blue is nice.
What are you looking for?
Oh, here it is. Which one? This one.
Oh, I like them both.
I think this one.
Do you?
And then put that one around the top.
Yes, good idea. That's a good idea. Here we go. So,
Run away.
so we need it as long as the box. And then we've got the blue at the back. Now, what colour do you want on the sides inside?
You could put this colour.
Yeah, but we need some for inside. Oh, I know. Why don't we do purple? So what we've got to do is cut round this.
Put round what?
Yeah, always
Round the
draw
box.
around, boys and girls, so you've got the perfect shape.
She isn't very good at cutting round.
There we go.
That stands out.
And we're going to cut it, if these scissors work. Really, really Oh, there we go.
Do we have any better scissors? We did have some better scissors, but I don't know.
I don't know where they are either.
I stopped them now to get one.
I think you're right. So we've got some sharper scissors. Let's see if these are any better. And you have to get a grown-up to do it, really.
They're a lot better.
A lot better, aren't they? And then let's do one the same shape for the other side. Hang on a tick. Tick. Hang on a tick.
Tick it off on it.
This.
Tick it off. Tick it off on it.
This, that's what you mean. And then let's get this on the go. These are going to go on the sides, and we've already done the sticky tape, haven't we?
Some things in the back.
So, Ozzie, do you want to stick that one on?
Let's go, that looks nice.
That's beautiful. And then that one.
Did I say that before? That? Who said that?
That's what we've got so
Whoa,
far.
fancy pants.
And now we want to cover the outside, these side bits. What we'll
Let's
do,
get some of this.
yes, we'll do some sticky to get them over the edge. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Amazing.
Got a champion.
Right. So far, so good. So the lid is going to go on like that.
See this fit. It fits.
Oh, it fits!
Whoa!
What do you think?
Disco Diva!
I'm trying to pull Sozzie's ass off. How do you get this up now?
Ow! That is not funny, Ozzie. Ow!
Got all Sozzie's hair.
What are you trying to say?
No wonder.
Okay, so I think we need some more.
Some more
Unbelievable.
what?
We need some more jewels on it, don't we?
Oh, I think I got.
Oh, I know what I was going to show you. How to make some fantastic flowers. Should we do that first? So, what you've got to do is get some tissue paper.
I like this yellow.
You have a yellow one. Ooh. Move some space. And you've got to get 3 pieces of tissue paper. It can be any tissue paper. So you get one.
Get that colour.
Okay, and I'm going to get that one. Okay,
That colour.
ready? And then what you do, you've got to fold it like that, and then fold it back again. So it's like a concertina, yeah?
What's a concertina?
One of these. Yeah, concertina is actually a musical instrument, would you believe? See what I'm doing?
Fold and fold.
Fold
Fold and
and
fold.
Like that.
That's it. Yeah, perfect.
Ah, I'm losing all my pieces.
Quite tricky.
Take your time.
And then you just put a little.
No, you hold it, and then we're going to get one of these bendy things. What colour do you want?
Pink.
Pink one. Go and pull it out. And then you're going to put it round the middle and just make it quite tight round the middle like that.
Are you going to tie it?
Yeah, well you just need to bend it because it bends.
I'm going to tie it.
Do you want me to help you?
Nope, I'm going to tie it.
Oh, you're going to tie it. Right, stop. Okay. So, well, it's not quite in the middle, that's the problem. So,
You'll be a pain getting it out.
that's all right. This is why you don't tie it. If you can wind it, you can change
how
it.
to wind
I'll show you. I'll show you. So you go in the middle, like that, and then just wind it round like that. Yeah.
What do you think, Daisy? I think Daisy agrees.
I think Daisy talks too much.
Okay, like that.
Okay.
And then what you do is you pull this, you pull each layer just forward like that, one layer at a time. Like that. And you're going to do the other one.
Ah, I can't do it.
You've got to be quite gentle. And you do that one. And you crunch all them up like that, you see. And then you do the other one. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Very pretty.
So you hold the other ones down like that. And just pull
Sozzie
it
talks
up.
too much.
And then like this, look.
She's
Yours
a
is
talk.
great. And then like that, you scrunch it. Right?
Talkathon.
Do
she
that
likes.
side. And that one. And then that one. Scrunch them up. And you put your wire behind.
Oh, how
And
pretty.
look at that, we've got a flower.
Love it.
Make it quite scrunchy. How's yours? Shall we do it? So you've got to go right to the middle with it. Right to the middle.
And where are you putting that, Sozzie?
Well, I thought it could sit there.
Gorgeous.
What do you think?
Mine isn't working.
Yours is working. You just got to do it a little bit more like that.
Told you she was bossy.
I'm not bossy, am I?
No, you're not.
And we're just going to put a little bit of sticky tape at the back and it holds it together. Should we do yours, Ozzie?
Lozzie?
Ozzie?
Oh, you said Lozzie.
I said Ozzie.
They look cool.
They are cool.
Yay! And shall we stick them here at the side?
Yeah, that's
a good idea. So let's do that. Right, so far so good.
So far so good.
What else? What else do we need, Ozzie? I don't think we need that one. What about some jewels?
Stickers.
Yeah, some stickers.
Inside or outside?
Outside. What about all along the top here?
What should we do?
I think I'm going to put some ribbons all around it as well.
That's a good idea. You
Yeah.
put it all there.
Oh yes, good thinking. Okay. So show the boys and girls what you're doing.
We're going to put one jewel there. And then same jewel on the other side. And I think we should get that one. We should get
What do you think?
I think it looks good.
We just need some fairies now, don't we?
I've got some.
Have you?
Yeah, they live in the garden.
Right.
Yeah, go get them.
No, we need a fairy wand and then we can do a magic spell and they can arrive.
There's one over there.
Go and get it! I really loved making that fairy house, you know. Tune in next week and see us make a little table for them and maybe we'll do a spell and see if we can get the fairies to come and move in. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Don't forget to subscribe and like our page and we'll see you next week. Bye!